Hi, this is Fred with Quality One Engravers. I'm going to import I've got Casmate Pro open, and I'm going to import an HPGL file, and I have each of my logos I put in a directory under one logo. So here's this Hillsdale dog. It's kind of a DOS format, so you're only going to see 6 letters. I've got HPGL selected in this drop down, and here's the Hillsdale PLT that was sent to me. I click on OK. And I turned off just the contour order. Normally you go into the F10 menu and you can turn that off. But anyways, I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on Engrave tool and come down here, and I got to make sure that I'm in the Concept 2 condition. And I'm going to change this height to 4. 4 just happens to be a real good height for making logos. Plot it to the hard drive. Put it in that same one logos, Hillsdale, and I have to give it a name, key 49, which is the number 1. Plot, exit out the door, and I'm going to minimize this. Now I'm going to start up this program called Make Logo, and I have a shortcut here in my Run directory, but you'll have that. It's in the Quality directory, or you have a shortcut to it on your computer. And I'm going to lose you here for just a second. Let me hit Alt-Enter to work in a reduced screen size. Hopefully this is seen. So I need to tell it the source. So number 1 for the source, Alt-H, and there's the Hillsdale, Enter. And in your case, you're going to be putting it right here in the Quality Logos directory. But if you're putting it on another computer, you may want to put it back in this directory. So I'm going to change that to Alt-HH, because this is a file that if I created it for you, I don't want it going in my logos directory. I'm going to be emailing it to you and saving it. So I'm going to hit the letter S for start, and no title file. So do you want to enter it? And I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to type in Hillsdale dog, and then enter, and just Hills dog, enter, and then the height I used was 4, and enter, and yes, I want to save it, and success. So Control Q out of that, and then I'm going to go into my actually I could rerun this one more time just to show you what you may do on your machine. I'm losing you here for 1 second. Alt Enter just to make it a reduced screen so you can see it. And I'm going to press the number 1, Alt-H, Enter, and now I'm going to leave it going to the Quality Logos directory, and I just hit Start. And because it found the title file already there, it didn't ask me those questions. So I'll come back here, Escape, Control Q out of this program, and now if I go ahead and start my Quality program, I can go T for text, number 5, and enter, Alt-H, and there's the Hillsdale dog, and there's actually 2 of them in there because I must have changed the name a little bit. Hit the space bar to get out to my text field, and the only letter that it will accept is actually it'll accept the 1, a space bar, curve to the right and curve to the left, but those you only need to use just the number 1. And escape, and that's your job. Now unfortunately I can't do a graphic because it goes to full screen and I'll lose you. So hopefully this will work for you. Give it a try. It's real easy after you do it a couple of times.